to send money from Australia to the Philippines. Follow these steps. First, determine the purpose of the transfer and the amount you want to send. Check the current exchange rate and any transfer fees associated with the service you choose. Next, select a money transfer service that suits your needs. Popular options include banks, online money transfer companies, and remittance centers. Banks often have higher fees and less competitive exchange rates, while online services like OFX, TransferWise, and WorldRemit typically offer better rates and lower fees. Once you have chosen a service, gather the necessary information. This includes the recipient's name, address, and bank account details if you are transferring directly to their account. If the recipient does not have a bank account, you can use a cash pickup service where they can collect the money from a designated location. Now, create an account with your chosen service if you do not already have one. This usually involves providing identification and contact information. After your account is set up, log in and initiate the transfer by entering the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. Review the transfer details carefully, including the exchange rate, fees, and estimated delivery time. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction and the money will be sent to the Philippines. The recipient will typically receive the funds within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the service and transfer method used. To ensure a smooth and secure transaction, always use a reputable service. Keep track of the transfer reference number and inform the recipient of the expected delivery time and amount. By following these steps, you can easily and securely send money from Australia to the Philippines.